Today's Southern Gardening is at the home of Patricia Holliday, admiring her beautiful butterfly bushes. Patricia is a master gardener who has fallen in love with these plants and has them growing throughout her landscape. Butterfly Candy Little Coconut Butterfly Bush will elevate any garden with its abundant clusters of fragrant white flowers. The flowers bloom in ascending order, working their way from the bottom to the tip of the cone-shaped panicles. Little Raspberry is another butterfly bush in the Butterfly Candy series that provides a pop of color in the landscape. Every one of its branches ends in a cluster of tiny, raspberry pink, sweet, scented blooms, jam-packed into vertically pointed, tight clusters. Pugster is another series of butterfly bushes in Patricia's landscape. Pugster Blue butterfly bush is a compact and dwarf variety of butterfly bush known for its vibrant blue-purple flowers. It blooms non-stop from early summer through frost with true blue flowers, each with a tiny yellow-orange eye in the center. Pugster Amethyst and Pugster Pinker are also found throughout Patricia's gardens. Thanks to thick, sturdy stems, the Pugster series offers vastly improved hardiness and winter survival over other types of dwarf butterfly bushes. All of these plants are drought tolerant, attract pollinators, and resist deer and rabbits. Whether you are looking to create a focal point in your landscape or add a touch of elegance to your patio, dwarf butterfly bushes are a great choice. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.